Hello, art friends. It is Miss Quisler, and I have a fun art project for you to try at home. This is a color wheel collage. First, you're going to need something circular to trace, so you can use a pencil to make a circle like this on your paper. And then I'm going to use a ruler to chop it up into 6 pie pieces that are about the same size. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to label the pie pieces with the colors in the color wheel. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Whoops, Miss Q, make sure you spell purple right. Okay, then I'm going to get some magazines, and I'm first going to flip through and look for anything red. I like to tear the sections out that are red, and later I'm going to use a scissors to do some more careful cutting. Then not a lot. I'm going to glue these red pieces inside that red pie piece, and I'm going to overlap until all of the white is covered in my red pie piece, kind of like this. On to orange and yellow. And I'm going to continue like this through the rest of my color wheel, overlapping and remembering not to use too much glue. There you have it, friends, a color wheel collage. This would be a fun one to do on your own or together with other people in your family. Can't wait to see what you made. Happy arting!